For daily hacks of the human body, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Then tap the bell icon to be notified on our newest videos. 5 simple life hacks for teeth whitening at home. Consider this. You have a boardroom meeting, and you and one of your colleagues have to present a presentation. At the last moment, while leaving for the office, you discover to your horror that your teeth are somewhat yellowish. You try to brush the stains away, but in vain. Your colleague, on the other hand, sports a shining set which grabs everyone's attention. A shining set of white teeth exudes confidence and makes you stand out from the rest of the crowd. But teeth can be somewhat difficult to maintain, and the stains don't disappear only through brushing. But there are certain life hacks which can be employed to get the shining pearls that you deserve. One of the many ways is to use a combination of baking soda and hydrogen peroxide for brushing. This acts as a scrubber and removes the stains considerably. Another remedy is to use a mixture of lemon juice and baking soda. Mix these 2 ingredients to form a paste-like consistency and apply it over your teeth. After a minute or 2, wash it with a toothpaste of your choice. Fruit and vegetable peels, especially orange peels, are a cost-effective and cheap way to whiten your teeth. Simply brushing the teeth with the insides of an orange peel will help cleanse and whiten your pearls. Eating raw fruits and vegetables like carrots and kale help remove surface stains, all the while fulfilling your daily quota for vegetables at the same time. Oil pulling is another way of bleaching your teeth naturally. Putting 2 or 3 tablespoons of olive oil or coconut oil and keeping it in your mouth removes many harmful bacteria and leaves your teeth with a shine. This treatment gives the best results when done in the morning before you eat or drink anything. And that's it. As you can see, you don't need to rely on chemicals to get the teeth of your dreams. Just follow 1 or 2 of these remedies, and you're good to smile. If you liked the video, give it thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more interesting facts on the human body, subscribe to the channel.